Hi, I'm Alja. So today I have a video for you guys about how to introduce people around you in Slovenian language. So let's just begin. First, let's say you would like to introduce your friend. So you can say, to je moj prijatelj. So, prijatelj is a friend who is a male, okay? And if it's a friend who is a female, you would say, to je moja prijateljica. And with all these examples, at the end you can just add the name. So I can say, to je moj prijatelj, Luka. So this is my friend, Luka. I won't be using names throughout this video, but just so you know, if you would like to tell the name, just put it at the end. Okay, so one more time. To je moj prijatelj, Luka, or for a friend who is a female, you would say, to je moja prijateljica, Alja. So let's say I'm your friend, okay? To je moja prijateljica, Alja, and so on, okay? Then to introduce your mother and father, you would say, to je moj oče. This is my father. Oče, father, okay? Some people even say oči, ata, and so on, but I personally use oče, just so you know. And then for mother, you would say, to je moja mama. This is my mother, mama. Again, you can say mati, mami, and so on. There's many ways of saying it. Then for brother and sister, to je moja sestra. This is my sister, sestra. Okay, sister. To je moj brat, brother, brat. Okay? And then if you would like to introduce your boyfriend or girlfriend, you would say, for boyfriend, to je moj fant. This is my boyfriend, fant. And if you are introducing your girlfriend, you would say, to je moja punca. This is my girlfriend, punca. Okay? And if you would like to introduce your kids, you can say, to je moj sin. This is my son, sin. Okay? And for daughter, you would say, to je moja hči. Okay, daughter, hči. This is my daughter. To je moja hči. Okay? So this was just a short video. I hope it helps you guys. And if you have any more ideas, please leave them down in the comment section below. And I will talk to you guys very soon. Okay? Ciao, ciao!